Fireheart. You don't need to go out hunting again tonight. Blue Star has chosen you and Gray Stripe to go to the gathering. You had better eat now. We're leaving at moonrise. Just make sure you remember which clan you belong to at the gathering. What makes you say that? Do you think I'll be disloyal to my own clan? I saw you in the last battle. I saw you let that River Clan warrior escape. If you think I'm disloyal, tell Blue Star. Grr. I don't need to bother Blue Star. I can deal with a kitty pet like you. Tiger Claw wonders how much I know. What on earth are you doing? Picking fights with Tiger Claw like that, he'll turn you into crowd food. No cat has the right to call me disloyal. I'm sorry, Fireheart. I know this is all because of me and Silverstream. No, it isn't, and you know it. Tiger Claw's the problem, not you. Come on, let's eat. I wonder what news we'll hear tonight. I hope River Clan and Shadow Clan have learned their lesson. Wind Clan won't be driven out of their territory again. The battle wasn't just greed for territory. Prey is even scarier than usual. River Clan are starving since the two legs move into their territory. I know, but forcing another clan out of their territory isn't the answer.